Hello and welcome to WinMan. Today I'm going to run through how to create manufacturing orders. Firstly, navigate to the Search Modules tab and type Manufacturing Orders. Existing orders can be opened using the search. If it is a new order, select the plus New Manufacturing Order tab in the top right corner. Add the manufactured product you want to make the order for. The manufacturing order prefix can be altered for different orders to allow for reporting. Select the quantity that is required of the product. Then set the due date of the order. And select the release date, which is when it needs to be started by. The location is a default and can be manually changed if necessary. You can add notes to the order if required. After the suitable information has been entered, click Save. You have now created the base of your manufacturing order. At this point, the order will say firm. Firming the order will copy the structure to work in progress lines. This means that modifying the structure or work in progress will not affect the other. After that, select the drop-down and then click on Release, which will release the order to the shop floor. Next, select the drop-down again and click on Issue. This will issue inventory to work in progress. Selecting any work in progress lines will show the batches of issued stock. If you would like, you can scrap stock too. To do this, select an item and then go down to Work in Progress Transactions. Go across and select the three dots at the side and choose Scrap Item. You are then able to choose the quantity of that product you would like to be scrapped. Then select an appropriate scrap reason code and scrap GL account. Once that information has been filled in, click Save. This will now scrap the quantity of the product you have selected. To re-add the scrapped stock, select the product again. Click the three dots in the Work in Progress box, then select Issue. After that, ensure that the product is selected and click Save. This will now re-add the stock that was previously scrapped. If you wish to stage the issue and the structure has been set up, you are then able to stage it. Once you have completed everything for the order, go back to the drop-down, click Finish, and finally click Save. This will complete your order. For more helpful guides, please check the WinMan website.